Good evening, everyone. I hope everybody is doing great and staying safe. So, I am making this video because a lot of people have their TGC SSB entries, and these people are looking for PPDT and TAT descriptions and how they are supposed to write. Now, first thing is that you are going to write only quick response based stories. Why I am asking that? फर्स्ट इज क्विक रिस्पॉन्स बेस्ड स्टोरी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपका ऑल ऑफ सडन पेट्रोल ख़त्म हो गया गाड़ी का, आप क्या करोगे? कोई सामने गिर गया, somebody fainted, a fire hazard took place at the place, और कुछ any event which requires immediate response, please write stories based on that. एंड सारी स्टोरीज जो आपको लिखनी है, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट आपको सारी स्टोरीज में कोई प्रॉब्लम ही शो करनी है. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी एट ऑल. आप मेक श्योर दैट द स्टोरीज दैट यू आर राइटिंग, उसमें आप अपना जॉली मूड भी शो करें. ट्राई टू अलाइन योर स्टोरीज विद योर SD. जो भी आपने SD में क्वालिटीज़ लिखी हैं, ट्राई कीजिए कि आप अपनी स्टोरीज में वो शो करें. सेकेंड थिंग इज़ मेक इट एज like I have friends from different religion, and so मैंने जो स्टोरीज़ बनाई थी उसमें मैंने किसी का कोई हिंदू का नाम लिखा, किसी का कोई मुस्लिम फ्रेंड का नाम लिखा, किसी में क्रिश्चियन फ्रेंड जैसे रज़िया, जाहिद और जोसेफ, all Abna, all religion I included in my stories. At the same time, what I did was I made happy moods also. I judged some of the moods, some people जिसमें वो खुश थे. I did not projected any sad or any problems in that. I made stories based on the trips that I have done in my life. I made stories जहाँ पे हम friends ने impromptu plans बनाए. Weekends पे we went out to Mumbai, we hang out, and I tried projecting the same. So जो आपने लाइफ में की हैं चीज़ें, इंसिडेंट्स दैट यू हैव डन इन योर लाइफ, प्लीज़ डू इट. पीपल आर नॉट डूइंग इट ऑन ग्राउंड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मान लो आपने कोई NGO स्टार्ट नहीं किया होगा, बट यू आर राइटिंग इट ऑन योर स्टोरीज. इज़ इट लाइक वैलिड? आप दिखा वो रहे हो जो आपने किया है. तो अगर आपने NGO कभी स्टार्ट नहीं किया है, सो वाई आर यू मेकिंग अ स्टोरी बेस्ड ऑन एन NGO? अगर आपको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, आपके पास एक स्टोरी आप जो बनाते हो, प्रैक्टिस एटलीस्ट 5-6 थीम्स लिखिए उस पर. लॉन्ग टर्म स्टोरीज़ क्या होती हैं? देयर आर डिफरेंस बिटवीन लॉन्ग टर्म एंड शॉर्ट टर्म स्टोरीज़. लॉन्ग टर्म स्टोरीज़ आर जिसमें कि आप फॉर एग्जांपल ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एनी इवेंट, इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म बेस्ड. पूरी फुल प्रिपरेशन एंड प्लानिंग विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. व्हेन यू आर talking about exams, full planning and preparation is required. So do make stories on this. I'm not asking you because आपको organization skills दिखानी है तो कैसे दिखाओगे आप? Definitely when you are organizing any event, when you are organizing any football match. So try doing that when you are not getting any quick response based story. Quick response based stories जो होती हैं, उसका मतलब ये है कि जहाँ पे immediate action is required. You have to be a problem solver. Now ये हुई आपकी टैट की बातें, and what I have had done in my past, I shared it with you. Now about your PPDT, many people are getting screened out. So PPDT में क्या होता है, आपका एक नरेशन पार्ट होता है, आपका OIR होता है, एंड देन आपकी पिक्चर होती है. सो मैं इस बात सिर्फ पिक्चर की ही बात कर रही हूँ. सो in the picture what you are supposed to do is always start with this: friends, from the given picture I have perceived a 10-year-old or a 21-year-old female in a neutral mood or in a positive mood, whatever is your story, and my story goes like this. ये आप टैगलाइन याद रखिए for your PPDT, that friends from a given picture I have perceived, or like मैं ऐसे start करती थी. And don't add chaos to the group. Okay, when everybody is shouting, you don't have to shout. You have to be a pacifier. You have to take everybody along. कुछ सुनो, कुछ सुनाओ और कुछ समेटो. I believe in this agenda and I would suggest आप भी believe कीजिए. You have to be a crisis manager, not a crisis adder. Okay, people tend to forget that. Apart from that, I think I have shared most of my thoughts regarding the stories जो आप बना रहे हैं. Stories में always there would be three parts. First is the introduction of your hero and his age and what he or she is doing. Second is what is the problem and the action, the course of action that you have done. And the third is, the conclusion and how the hero felt once it has done. So for example, मान लो एक story है, एक picture है जिसमें a lot of ladies are crying. So crying नहीं, मैं बोलूँगी पूरे faces जो हैं blur हैं. तो उस पर क्या बनाऊँगे? तो मैंने स्टोरी बनाई, let's say that Abhina, 25-year-old teacher in a school, was coming back along with her friends, and one of her friend fainted on road. She immediately gave water to her and some biscuits which she had. Once she regained consciousness with the help of a passerby and other people, she got a cab and took her in the cab and took her to the nearby hospital. Meanwhile, she called her husband. When they reached hospital, doctor examined and prescribed some medicine. Also, doctor informed that the lady is pregnant. And they celebrated this news happily in the evening. Also, Abhina started taking care of her friend more at the workplace. So this was my story, जो कि मैंने लिखा है ना, and this was my PPDT story in 12 SSB Bangalore board. आपका नज़रिया, आप देखते वैसे हो किसी भी इंसान को, किसी भी पिक्चर को जैसे आप होते हो. बी एन ऑफिसर इन रियल लाइफ एंड यू डोंट हैव टू प्रिपेयर एनीथिंग. सच्चे देशभक्त चाहिए. People doesn't need, Fauj doesn't need people who are joining it as a job. Okay? अगर आपको perks and privileges चाहिए, then please stay outside. ठीक है? Apart from that, I believe I am done with this video. And why I am wearing mask, you must be, I am down with fever, and please take COVID very seriously. People are losing their loved ones, and I am making this video because I got 10 calls today based on PPDT and TAT. That's why even if I'm not well, I am making this video just for the betterment of the society and the people around. That's it. I'm not expecting any comments, followers. If you have any questions, please don't message me personally. I may not be able to reply, but you can comment here so that other people, if they have the same doubts, they are able to check those questions and help themselves. I hope you are with me. Just take care, stay safe, wear mask, sanitize your hands, and get vaccinated as soon as possible. That's it. Take care, stay safe. Jai Hind.